Hi, welcome back. So today we'll be tackling something super important. By the way, my name is Bimbo and I help teachers refine their teaching skills. So back to the matter. It's no longer news that one of the career opportunities that many teachers are looking out for is online teaching jobs, which is great. I mean, you get to have more time to yourself. You can teach from the comfort of your home. You can choose your pace, your time, and then you earn more money, especially when you even get to work with international students. And all this is awesome. You get to also have time to do other things, maybe combine two jobs if you want. Super great, right? But the sad truth about this is that many teachers, especially Nigerian teachers, are actually not ready for this. Many teachers are not ready for this. I recently came across a post on LinkedIn where a school owner was trying to fill a position. So she interviewed about 27 teachers for that online teaching position. And the result was sad. About 90% of the teachers could not even properly set up a virtual classroom. Many of them could not make presentations that were engaging. Their slides were so boring. They could not do things that would engage their audience. And then many people are distracting backgrounds, poor internet, and so many things. So it is true that this space, this online teaching space is really growing, and there's a very high demand for teachers. However, many people are not ready. And it's something to really desire, but then you can't just go into something that you are not prepared for. And so this is why I'm making this video. If you really want to succeed at online teaching, there's so many things that you need to put into place. And I believe the first thing is to get your setup right. Invest in good laptops. Invest in good lighting. Invest in good space. Invest in good internet. You don't want to give a low quality teaching to your students, because in the end, these little things distract you and distract your students. And then the second thing is that you want to master the use of virtual classrooms. You cannot not know how to use virtual classrooms like Zoom, Google Meets, Microsoft Teams. I mean, people have created these things so that we can use them to our advantage. So you must know how to use them. So we've got to master it and become a pro, not just stop at beginner's level. No. And then there are learning management systems like Google Classroom, Moodle, that you've got to know how to use. In my subsequent videos, I'm going to take each of these things and do a tutorial on them. But there are things that you really need to know how to use to make online teaching successful. And then you also want to, which is the third thing, you want to know the right educational technology tools to integrate into your teaching. Things like Quizlet, Carrot, you need them to engage your students. Nearpod, you can't just assume that they are listening at the other side and they could be distracted. So you make use of these tools to engage them, communicate your lessons and all. So there's so many things that we need to put into place if you really want to experience a successful online teaching. And they are not things that will just come cheap. You must put in the work. And if we put in the work, we get the result. In subsequent videos, like I mentioned, I'm going to take each of these learning management systems and educational technology tools, and I'm going to make tutorials on them. And I'm really hoping that you will watch this video in addition to other videos out there and position yourself to be the best online teacher that you really are. All right, thank you for your time. See you in my next video. Bye.